morning. Today is Monday, May 30th. It is actually Memorial Day here in the States. I don't know if it's something they celebrate any other place. I don't know. But today is Memorial Day, May 30th, Monday, May 30th. And today in our devotional, it says, God is great. Jeremiah chapter 10, verse 6. No one is like you, Lord. You are great, and your name is mighty in power. 1 Chronicles chapter 16, verse 25. Great is the Lord. He is most worthy of praise. He is to be feared above all gods. Psalm chapter 96, verse 5. For all the gods of the peoples are worthless idols, but the Lord made the heavens. 1 Chronicles chapter 29, verse 11. Yours, Lord, is the greatness and the power and the glory and the majesty and the splendor, for everything in heaven and earth is yours. Yours, Lord, is the kingdom. You are exalted as head over all. Psalm chapter 47, verse 2. For the Lord Most High is awesome. He is a great king over all the earth. Luke chapter 1, verse 49. For the mighty one is holy, and he has done great things for me. Psalm chapter 96, verse 4. Great is the Lord. He is most worthy of praise. He is to be feared above all gods. Psalm chapter 24, verse 10. Who is he, this King of glory, the Lord Almighty? He is the King of glory. And at the bottom it says, is there a scale or measure to weigh the greatness of God? He reveals his greatness in his word. He holds the waters of the sea in the hollow of his hand. He measures the dust of the earth with a bushel. He weighs the mountains and the hills on his scale, and the extent of the heavens is measured by the breadth of his hand. He knows every little detail, your name, thoughts, tears, fears, and hopes. And that is just the beginning of his greatness. He is great. He is. He does know us. He knows every detail, just as it says, even our thoughts. He knows what we are going to do today before we do it. He already knows what choice you're going to make today before you do it. I pray that we all make the right choices today. I pray that we learn what pleases him. And you're going to hear me say it. The only way you know what pleases him is by his book. It's the only way you're going to know. Don't take people's word for anything, not even mine. Look it up for yourself. Because men is flawed. Men is flesh. Men makes mistakes. So, and hey, I'm not anything. I make mistakes. I've made plenty of mistakes in my life. But we need to seek God's truth. And the only way you're going to know what his truth is through his word. Don't take anybody's word for it. Read it for yourself and find out his truth. Because that's what I want. That is a desire of my heart. A desire of my heart is to know his truth. Because I just want to please him. I want to please him more than anything. And I hope you do too. And I am not saying I am no better than the dust of the ground, guys. I am no better than, I'm the lowest of low. Believe me. I've done terrible things in my life, but I'm the lowest of the low. But he saved me. He's done so much for me. I depend on him completely. And I just want to please him because he's done so much for me. I love you guys. And as always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the Disciples server. The link is in the description box. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. I really do. I love you guys. Have a very blessed day. Bye.